My bangs have finally grown long enough for me to cut them. I want to cut them here on camera. I've been dying to cut them on camera. So the technique that I'm going to use is actually something that I learned on YouTube a few years ago. I believe it was a guy, and I'm not sure if he had a mannequin or a actual person, but he did this technique in 2 seconds and gave me all the confidence in the world to go in my bathroom and cut my own hair. I've been doing it ever since, and so I'm not extra cautious. I'm not scared, so I just kind of brush my bangs and get it done with. I don't overthink. I just do it. I do practice a bit of caution in the sense that I don't cut too short right away. Like, I take my time getting there so that I don't cut too much. I've already separated my bangs, and if you can see, I like to cut my bangs kind of like a triangle. I prefer this style because when I let my hair loose, the bangs kind of blend into the rest of my hair. There's no obvious sharp line. So the technique is you take your hair and you wrap it in your fingers like so, and then you twist it one time. And this technique will give you bangs that descend. So they go from being straight in the center to getting a little longer at the ends. And those are perfect for my face shape and perfect for my my carefree look. You know, I don't want to bother with a blunt bang and having to keep it straight and keep it neat all the time. I want to forget about them in a sense. So I'm going to start cutting now. So, yeah, I can tell it's still going to be too long. And you see how my bangs turn this way? That's my cowlick. Right here in this area, my hair just shoots straight up. So now I'm going to leave this hair out of the picture. And I'm just going to cut the inner part of the bang, kind of like the bulk of the bang. I'm just going to leave this out so it can stay the length that it is. And because I'm going to do the twist again, it's going to be... is going to start off short in the center and get longer at the end. So it's going to fit right in with the pieces that I pulled out. And I do this with my hair dry because of my cowlick, because I can see how it's actually going to look when my hair is dry. When your hair is wet, you know it weighs more. So right now my hair looks a little nuts. It has no products in it, and I just washed it. Today is my first wash day. So, so the first day that I wash my hair, it's a little nuts because it's too clean. Like, my hair needs to be a little bit dirty to behave and to, you know, to make me look presentable. It can't really be too clean or else this happens. This little guy here is by Conair, and this thing gets super duper hot and it's really, really effective. I bought it a million years ago from Dwayne Reed, so I'm sure you can find it. Those things are still really, really popular, those little mini travel flat irons. So I'm gonna brush my hair again. You know, I think I might still be too long, but let's see. This little gadget here will tell us if I went too long. So if you have a cowlick, it's good to kind of iron close to that cowlick, not, you know, not burning yourself and not hurting yourself in any way. So be really careful with your hot iron. Anyhow, it's good to kind of get it flat in that area. and then you can do a nice little swoop like this, and I think it's good. So you see right there, you see how long the ends are? That's why I separated those two pieces of hair, because I wanted it to have this effect. And doing the routine that I did, the technique that I did, it will give me longer ends on my bangs, but not as long as I desire. So that's why I cut first a nice amount of hair and then separate the outer pieces and then do it again with the center bang, with the bluntness in the center. And that's how I get the look that I want with the longer ends, but not too long. They just, they're right where I want them to be, right under my eye. One more thing before I go. I don't really use any products, like I said, but my bangs are in the danger zone. My forehead is really oily, gets really oily, and so the one product that I must use from time to time is dry shampoo. I don't have a favorite because I don't do it too often, and I haven't had bangs in a long time, so I'll just grab whatever little dry shampoo is in the travel area in Target, and I'll buy it. I'm using it only on my bangs, so I don't need it to be the best. This one is Tresemme Fresh Start, no visible residue dry shampoo, and it works fine. So you brush to the left. These are just little tips that I'm doing now. You brush to the right hairs, the middle hairs, you brush them down in the center. They wind up giving you that see-through bang look. And then over here, the left side, you brush to the left. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching.